Hello guys, this is Channel Yang. Today we are going to repair iPhone 12. The phone is jammed. Let's reset it. It says that they don't have the tin to repair, so they will send it next year. But I have it. I think it's just an excuse since I found that the tin has been transferred and fitted. Let's check the phone. Click the Privacy, Analyze and Improvement. In this part, we need to find the one that starts with letter P. We can see that the problem is the pressure controller. We don't need to refer to the cases of iPhone 12. Indeed, we can refer to the cases of iPhone 10 and 11. We can see that the inner screen has been pressed and there is a hole on the screen. The glass of the back shell has been changed too. Let's take out the motherboard. It's obviously that the tin has been transferred. We have to take them out, otherwise it will squeeze to screen. Layer the motherboard. Use the fixture to layer it. Low temperature tin. After layer, we can tell the problem. Check the motherboard out. First of all, we have to wash it. Then we will dismantle the back shell. We have to change different kinds of screwdriver because of different kinds of screw. This one is the vibrator. This is the tail hole. If the barometer is good, the problem maybe is the gyroscope. Let's check the barometer. Take it down and install a new one. Before that, we need to tin it and then restore the phone. Now let's check the gyroscope. take it off and we can see it's good. Now let's transfer tin in the lower layer. Blow them into balls. Check if any other broken balls. Clean it up and then feed it. Turn on the photo album to test gravity sensing. It's perfect. Then let's check the gyroscope. It's repaired. So the repair is done. Okay, bye.